forward stepping. Your front leg leads the way, back leg follows. You're light on the feet, forward, back, forward, back. Your left position should be left to right. Your head can move slightly so you're not in line all the time. You got forward, back, the left, right. You want to be good at the forward pressure, the back, side, forward, side, back. Pivot, step, step, turn. So for 2 minutes we're going to be working on the forward step, back step, left step, right step, forward to the left, back to the right, pivot out, you step through and into the hole, and of course step and turn and move around. Alright, once we get that, we also go into a V-step position where we can do a V motion stepping, where your front leg comes in and the back leg steps across, we can back out again. The front leg comes across, comes into the leg, and the leg can switch. So you got the V-step motion. It stays in a V position, your V-stepping position. Then the other one in basic movements is your pendulum movement, where the back leg steps and then the front leg. In the forward direction, the pendulum, back one comes in and the front one moves. Backwards pendulum, and so you got the V-step and backwards pendulum. V-step, backwards pendulum. So you have to see the little V motion and you can pendulum back. V motion and pendulum back. So you can cut your angles quite well. We also use the rocking motion one. You can rock through and change. Rock through and change. With steps, but basically forward step, back step. Your left steps, your right steps. You must get that part right over there. Then we learn to pivot and step. Step and turn. Your V step and your pendulum motion. V step into pendulum motion. Alright, there's the basic ones. We go over 2-3 minutes.